In this video, I'll show you how to add a friend on Facebook. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so go ahead and open Facebook, sign in with your account. Once you do, this is going to be the main page that you will see. Right here at the top, you're going to see a small search bar that says search on Facebook. Here is where you can find the friend that you're looking for. So let's say the name of your friend is John Smith. Go ahead and type in the name and enter it. Now, Facebook is going to recommend people to you based on different things, like where you live, who your friends are, and you're going to see all the people for that name right here on this page. Go ahead and click on see more, and then you're going to see this page. If you don't find your friend right here, you don't see their picture, what you can also do is add in a city. So for example, where they live. You can even search a school. So if they went to high school with you, you can go ahead and put your high school, work, and if they're friends with you, with your friends, or with different friends that you have on Facebook. After you find your person, you're simply going to go ahead and click on add friend. Now, this friend request is going to get, in this case, to John Smith, and he's going to have the option to either decline it or accept it. Now, after your friend accepts your request, you can message each other and share information through Facebook. Hope that helps.